3 ways to make money with silver.
Wait, but Eli.
Hold up. Look, I know what he's gonna say.
Oh, but Eli, you always say that you're not trying to make money with silver.
That may be true, but even though I'm not trying to make money, doesn't mean that there's not ways to make money with silver. And today I want to go over 3 ways you can actually make money, potentially, almost likely, make money with silver. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. Make sure you guys check ublives.com so you guys get awesome t-shirts like this. And if you want to help support the channel by buying silver, you guys can do so at ublives.com. Question of the day. Do you guys plan to make money with silver? Comment down below. Let me know. Now, before I go into this, I do want to let you guys know I don't like to share anything without having any sort of experience in it at all. So these 3 ways, they may be way more, but these are the 3 ways that I kind of make money, and I've done it at least once or twice or beyond that. All right. So the first way you guys can make money with silver, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows this one, and that is flipping. And a lot of people use this flipping method. We have the local coin shop who does it. We have the pawn shop that does it, and just regular people just buying and selling silver. They'll see silver right here, and they'll say, let's say they get it like, they'll buy it from somebody who just don't know nothing about spot price or anything. They'll buy it from them and sell it back at a higher price. Now, that's the first way. We see that done so much time. The coin shop, they get it from their place, wherever they get it at a fair price. And then they come back to us and be like, hey, we're going to sell it $1 above. So they take it, buy it, and flip it. Pretty easy, right? Like, yeah, I've done that before, only with one coin. I bought a silver shield. I think I bought it for $18, and then I turned around and I flipped it for $25. All right. Now, that's not something I'm always doing. I just wanted to try it. I bought 2, and I just wanted to see the liquidity of it. All right. But even though I believe the fact that I was able to do it so fast is because of number 2. And speaking of number 2, the second way to sell silver is branding. All right. What does that mean? Branding. If you build a brand, now you get to a level where a lot of people know about you. You become somewhat of a trusted figure. Now they're more liable to buy from you. And once you establish that, they're more liable because you're trusted, well trusted, all right? There's no way that you can brand yourself without having that trust backed by it, all right? Branding, and there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can use YouTube like this right here. This is a way of me branding myself. You can do that through blogs. And how do you use branding to actually sell silver? There's something called channel bars. This channel has channel bars, and most of you actually support the channel by buying channel bars. But it goes beyond that. Not just branding by YouTube. A lot of people use this branded method. SD Bullion uses it. APMEX uses it. You have the APMEX bars. You have the APMEX rounds. You have the SD Bullion bars. You have the SD Bullion rounds. All these precious metals, they actually brand themselves and they sell their own product. But that's actually branding on a whole different level. Now, need I say it? I do have experience in that as well. All right. Now, number 3, trading stocks. Now, this one I did before I even start buying gold, before I even start buying silver, I went into trading stocks. Now, there's a whole bunch of gold and silver stocks out there. Right now, a lot of people may not trust it. Now, me, myself, I kind of made a lot of money on it. Not that much. When I say a lot, and not that much, probably a few hundreds. All right. But the only thing I didn't like about it is the fact that there's no stability in there. Okay, there's no stability. Now, there's 2 stocks that I know of that practically mirrors each other, and that's what I use to actually make my money. When I did this, I don't do this no more. But every time when gold's having a good day, one of the stock goes up, and every time gold's having a good day at the same time, the other stock goes down. And if you look at it, if you put it side by side next to each other, you can actually see that when this one goes up, this one's going down at the same exact time. And when it goes down, this one is going up. All right. But that's technically not having physical gold. It's practically paper gold. And I don't even like to say paper. I like to say digital gold. All right. Or digital silver. Trading stocks. Now, those are the 3 ways that I've actually used to make money off gold and silver. Preferably silver. Now, I'm not saying these are the only 3 ways that you can actually use silver to make money. I'm just saying these are the 3 ways that I've used myself. Now, comment down below if you guys know of any other ways that you guys have used and find successful in the past or currently right now that you're doing. If you don't mind sharing some of your secrets, write it down in the comments below. But me, myself, you guys know my whole standpoint. You guys know my thoughts on this. I don't practically buy silver to make money. All right? I use silver for a hedge against inflation. Everybody should know that by now. If not, there you go. You do now. All right? So if you don't know, now you know. Anyways, the video's over, but the conversation doesn't have to be. Comment down below. Let me know some of your thoughts. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.
That's why I work